Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit Architecture 2024 for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glady Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you how to draw roofs in Revit. So you can see I have one simple plan, and the width is 22 feet by 5 inches and length is 32 feet. So just I have taken this to make you understand. So there are only ground floor and first floor, and you can go to 3D view and you can see this is a simple building here, and there is no roof at the top. So we'll draw this roof here, and you can see there is only 2 levels here. So if you go to elevation mode, you can see there are only 2 levels. So first we need to create a level for this top one. So I am going to draw a level 3 here. You can rename it as a terrace or any other name you can choose. So now this is our level 3. So this is our top level. So now I'm going to top level here, and you can see can draw this roof from here also, and from level 2 or level 1. So I will draw this from level 1 and I will tell you how to make this. So if you go to the build category here, and if you look at this, the roof category, there is a arrow which is drop down, and you can select here, and you can see there are various types of drawing roof. So first one is roof by footprint. This is the most common roof technique which we'll use, roof by footprint. And you can also draw roof by extrusion. So if you look at the definition of roof by footprint, it is saying creates a roof using the building footprint to define its boundaries. So this is our building, and we'll use this footprint to draw our roof. So that's why it is called roof by footprint. Next is roof by extrusion. So roof by extrusion is creates a roof by extruding a profile that you sketch. So in the next tutorial I will tell you how to draw roof by extrusion. So we'll use a profile to draw this. And roof by face is basically used in massing. So in the advanced Revit, when you learn about massing, you can draw roof by face. And roof by soffit, fascia and gutter, we will learn in coming tutorials how to draw this. So for today I'm going to concentrate on roof by footprint. So if you select roof by footprint here, you can see I am drawing this from level 1. So that's why it is asking lowest level notice, because I am at level 1 only. So you can take this to level 3 also, and from level 1 also you can draw this. So you have created the roof on the lowest level. Would you like to move it to level 3? Because our top level is level 3. So I am going to draw a roof for level 3. So I will select yes. So now you can see here in the roof category, can see there is a defined slope which is unchecked. So if you uncheck this, the roof will be flat. So if you check this, the roof will be in a slope form, and overhang is 0 feet 0 inches. And if you want to extend to the wall core, you can check this here, and you can see the drawing techniques of roof. So these are the various techniques. You can use lines, rectangle, inscribed polygon, circumscribed polygon, circle, start and arc, and center and arc, and so on. And you can also pick walls and pick lines and partial ellipse. So I'm going to in properties, and then I will select from this steel truss or wood rafter. You can select wood rafter here, and you can pick this line here, and you can see there is a boundary line and a slope arrow. So I'm going to select this boundary line, and I will select this pick line here. And now it is saying how much offset you want to give to draw this sloped roof. So I am going to make this 2 feet from the wall. So I will make this 2 feet, and now you can pick the walls here, and this will be 2 feet offset from the wall. So this is the method of drawing roof technique. Just follow your walls, draw this roof here, and this roof is not straight, I will make this straight here. So this is the roof, and now you can see these all triangles representing slope side. So all the four representing that this roof is sloped from the all the four side. So basically this will be a hip roof. So now I am going to finish edit mode, and now it is asking, would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof? I'm going to attach this. I want to attach the wall, and nothing happens because I am at level 1. So if you look at a level 3, you can see this is our roof, but it is showing the cut part here, and you can check in this in 3D. This will be a complete hip roof. So you can see this is our roof here. So what you are required to do, I am going to level 3 plan here. You can also change this slope, so you can make this 9 inch. Yeah, I'm going to make this as a 5 inch by 12 inch. So, and now we'll see what happens. You can see this is getting narrow. So how to reduce this cut part here? So you are required to go to your view range. So I'm going to extend here, and you can see this is a view range, and you can go to edit, and also you can type shortcut command VR, and you can change this primary range and cut plane. You can see this is at 4 feet, so I'm going to make this as a 20 feet here, and you can now see this is our hip roof, and it is complete. There is no cut here. So likewise you can use view range in your properties, extend, or you can type shortcut command VR. You can check this in a 3D. So this is our roof here, and this is the hip roof. So likewise you can try here. So again I am going to delete this roof, and now I am going to select again roof by footprint and define slopes, and I will use rectangle because this is in rectangular shape, and will give offset of 2 feet only. And now I am going to draw this sloped roof, and you are required to select this front one, and you can uncheck this define slope, uncheck this. Again I am going to backward, and I am going to uncheck this define slopes, and now we'll finish this edit mode. Would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof? Attach, and you can see this is our gable roof. So you can see how easily it's in Revit. You can draw gable roof. So this is the drawing method. Again you can check this roof by footprint, and you can draw this roof here, and you can give offset of 2 feet again, and I'm going to draw another roof here. So now I'm going to delete this roof, delete this slope from here. You can uncheck this from here, uncheck this, and from here uncheck this. So only this slope is from one side. I'm going to finish the edit mode, and I'm going to attach, and now we'll see. So you can see this is of drawing like if you want to draw a veranda or any sloped roof from a single side, it is sloped. So likewise you can use this. You can also reduce this slope because it's looking awkward. So likewise you can use this in your design, how to use roof by footprint. So if you want to draw a flat roof, I'm going to use roof by footprint again, and I'm going to use rectangle here, and I'm going to uncheck this define slope here, and we'll use a rectangle, and you can give offset if you want to give offset. So now I'm going to draw a roof which will be a flat roof. Would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof? Attach, and if you go to 3D view, you can see this is a flat roof. So basically this is the method of using roof by footprint, and likewise you can use these roof properties. Generic 9 inch, you can select generic 9 inch, you can select generic 12 inch steel truss, and you can select this wood rafter. So I was using wood rafter. So you can also edit these roof types. So if you go to your 9 inch here, you can select this roof, go to edit type, duplicate this if you want to reduce the roof thickness. So suppose I'm going to make this as a 6 inch RCC roof. So I will go to a structure, edit, and you can see this thickness is 9 inch. So I'm going to make this as a 6 inch RCC. And you can also change this material by category. You can select these 3 dots and you can change the material. You can create a material and you can change this material from here. Click OK, apply, and now you can see this is our flat roof. So likewise you can change the material. So this is the basic introduction of roof by footprint. So how to draw roof by footprint. In the next tutorial I will come with roof by extrusion. So please like, share and subscribe my channel.